When the last squire of Erddig House handed his estate over to the nation, he didn't just leave behind a grand mansion, he left behind a family philosophy: throw absolutely nothing away. While the family lived in luxury upstairs, this sprawling network of outbuildings was the true engine room of the estate. For over 2 centuries, this yard was a bustling colony of blacksmiths, joiners and stable hands. Today, the keys are still in the locks, the tools are still on the benches, and a century of transport history sits entirely frozen in time. From the heavy iron of the sawpits to the brass of the earliest motor cars, these outbuildings offer a rare, unfiltered look at the grit that kept British history moving. In our next episode, we step out of the workshops and into the grand illusion, exploring Erddig's world-famous 300-year-old formal gardens. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, please like and subscribe to join us for the next tour.